Hello， 大家好，好久不见。Today we're going to learn some commonly used words related to money. Are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, first one, money given to school. Tuition. 学费, 学费, 学费. Next one, money given to employees. Salary. 工资, 工资, 工资. Money borrowed from a bank. Loan. 贷款, 贷款, 贷款. Next one, money given to your children. Pocket money, right? 零花钱, 零花钱, 零花钱. Money owed to others. Debt. 债务, 债务, 债务. Money given to waiters or waitress. Tips. 小费, 小费, 小费. Money paid as a fine. Penalty. 罚金, 罚金, 罚金. Money given to your landlord. Rent. 租金, 租金, 租金. What else? Money returned to you when buying stuff. Change. 零钱, 零钱, 零钱. Money set aside temporarily. 闲钱, 闲钱, 闲钱. Money given to the newlyweds at the wedding. 份子钱, 份子钱, 份子钱. Money given to the elderly people or retired people. Pension. 养老金, 养老金, 养老金. Alright guys, this is all for today's video. Do you know any other words that is money related? Welcome to leave a comment down below. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.